Hello everyone, my name is Claudio Ciofi and I'm going to briefly introduce how the ERGA initiative started. Conservation and restoration of biodiversity is a top European Commission priority. While the primary route to preserve biodiversity mainly comprises habitat protection and restoration, genomic approaches provide a wide array of novel emergent tools that can inform conservation efforts. All genome studies start from the generation of a reference genome. That is a high-quality, nearly error-free DNA sequence representing the entire genomic makeup of the species, serving as a reference for species identification and the study of populations and ecosystem communities. Several initiatives were established worldwide for the production of reference genomes, yet these are only available for a small fraction of European species. The European Reference Genome Atlas initiative is a consortium involving nearly 15 among EU countries and other partners, with the aim of generating reference genomes representing the biodiversity of Europe, ranging from endangered species, species of importance for ecosystem function and stability, to key species for agriculture and fisheries. Now, the very first idea of establishing a European initiative was brought up at the PacBio user meeting held in Milan in November 2019, and then again in January 2020 during the Vertebrate Genome Project special session at the Plant and Animal Genome Conference in San Diego in California. This initiative at first entailed vertebrates only, but then it soon expanded to include all eukaryotes and was later named the European Reference Genome Atlas. In July 2020, a 10-page position paper advocating the importance of genomics for biodiversity and ecosystem services conservation was conceived and sent to the European Directorate General for Research and Innovation. Then ERGA was officially presented at the Biodiversity Genomics Conference in October 2020, and during this very same time we started preparing for the first call of the Horizon Europe program on biodiversity and ecosystem services, thanks also to the engagement of Brussels representatives from a number of countries involved in ERGA. 2021 has been the year for an exponential growth of ERGA. A council was established, the chair was elected, different committees were formed, and the first ERGA structure and bylaws were approved, as well as the first code of conduct and privacy policy notice. An ERGA webpage was also created. The ERGA initiative was included in the European Nucleotide Archive, a community call for species to be sequenced nomination was open, and a sample manifest was created. Members of ERGA participated in a number of international workshops, such as the 2022 Biodiversity Genomics virtual meeting and the Biohackathon in Barcelona. The ERGA initiative was also presented to the broader scientific community thanks to an introductory article accepted in Trends in Ecology and Evolution. Now, all these events developed along with two very important initiatives. The first was the establishment of a pilot project whereby the genomes of more than 90 species are being characterized thanks to the involvement of European sequencing centers, ERGA members, and the support of consumable providers. You can learn more about these in the video clip dedicated to the ERGA pilot project. Second, a joint venture between ERGA and Bioscan Europe led to the submission of the Biodiversity Genomics Europe proposal to the Horizon Europe program, and these will hopefully be a fair significant financial support which all ERGA members will directly or indirectly benefit from. ERGA now includes more than 600 members, and we sincerely hope that this number will increase even further in the months and years to come. Thank you.